What zip code do I use for a Visa gift card? So if you've been trying to use a Visa gift card on some website as a payment method and it's asking you for a zip code. First of all, a Visa gift card does not have a specific zip code associated with it because gift cards are not tied to a physical address. So when using a gift card online, and if it does prompt you for a zip code, you can just use the zip code of your shipping address or your own home zip code if needed, because the system may only be checking for a valid zip code. So it might be only asking for a valid code, and if it just asks you to use your zip code, then in that case you can enter the zip code of your shipping address where you're trying to ship the order to, or your home zip code if needed. So I hope that this video pretty much helped you understand whether or not zip code exists for Visa gift cards. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.